Hello. You're probably wondering what a sculpture of Bill Murray and two golf carts have in common. Well, if you were thinking of Brookgreen Gardens, you'd be correct. This is what happens at Brookgreen Gardens, located between Pawleys Island and Murrells Inlet in South Carolina along the Atlantic coast, when there are no students in a sculpture workshop because of COVID-19 coronavirus and an approaching Category 1 hurricane Isaiah. So I just thought I would say hello and share this experience with you. My name is Bryan Rapp, and I'm the director of the Master Sculptor Program here at Brookgreen Gardens. And I wanted to actually reach out to you specifically to talk to you about the 2020 sculpture workshops and what we anticipate is possibly going to happen for the 2021 Master Sculptor season. So obviously we're dealing with things here in the workshop that other classrooms all around the world are dealing with, and that is how to provide a safe learning environment. And because we've been unable to do so, we've had to unfortunately cancel some much anticipated sculpture workshops with Richard Blake and Rosie Sandifer and Eugene Daub and Heidi Wastweet. And did I say TD Kelsey as well? As of right now, the remaining workshops for the 2020 season, beginning in September with Wesley Wofford, are still on the books. But should we have to cancel those classes, we will do so out of an abundance of caution, the safety of our staff and our guests and our students and our instructors. So what's happening for 2021? Ideally, I would like to schedule more workshops than this year. This year was my first year in this position, and so there was kind of a learning curve. And now that we've canceled my first year, I'm ready to add more classes. So I'd like to add more classes for the 2021 season. I'd like to bring back everybody whose class I had to cancel. And if we can't do that, we're exploring all options. What is available to us? What can we do to maintain an educational experience through Brookgreen, through this wonderful space? And so the obvious answer to that is what educators are doing everywhere, and that is to bring some classes to you through downloadable digital content, whether it's live online instruction, observations, critiques, lectures, demonstrations, and so that's something that we are looking at as a possibility of something that we can probably do here through Brookgreen. So I hope everybody in the meantime is able to enjoy their studio time at home, and I hope that you're all healthy and safe. And I encourage you to email me at brapp, BRAPP, at brookgreen.org, or give me a call here at my office. And I look forward to seeing you all in person. We can all be under one roof safely in a healthy and happy studio. So in the meantime, take care, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.